Star, do you want to do your intro? We changed the course of this video.
Where is he? Oh, I see him.
Shoot. One star. Star, do it! Dude. Oh, wait, what? Dude. Okay, I'm coming down. Oh, dude, I'm getting shot. Very much getting shot. I don't like this. It's not. Dude, did you die?
Yeah, go for him, quick. He took my med. I'm
going for him.
I'm a TP. Stay on the roof.
I am. Where is he? There he is. Right there. Alright, yeah, he's coming after me now. He knows where I am.
I told you.
/TPA A. There you go. Alright, come on. Let's go.
Where is he?
I glide. He's in. He's inside. No! Dude, he's winning again. No! Dude, I'm dead. Right. TPA star. Accept.
I couldn't kill him.
What do you mean?
What the hell? He's hacking! Dude, I swear I shot him about 50 times! I got disconnected. Did I kill
mad
him?
lag right now.
Did I kill him?
I think he did. I think he might have. Oh, he has a bed! Dude, he has a bed. /I blunt.
Nah, let him spawn back.
J/. No, he's already back. He's already back.
Oh crap.
20 gauge shells, that's all we need. J/I 12. J/12. So item, so have to do this the old-fashioned way. /I blunt.
Dude, someone's in the blimp.
Someone's in the blimp? Who's? Oh crap. Okay. Give me a sec. J/I rock it. J/I rock it. Wait. How do you spell a rocket? How do you spell rocket? Oh crap! Dude, there's shots all around me!
Go rock.
Spell /I rock. Ah, got it. Right. I've actually never seen this gun skin before, so. Oh, dude, I forgot it despawns. /I rock. Is there sights? Oh, there's sights. 16x. Dude. Oh, okay. I think he thinks I died. I think he thinks I died. 16x. Alright, Dude, no! I forgot it has recurve! I bet it has, not recoil. No recoil. I'm getting shot at. How do I do this? Slash I no slash
So I can get
TPA. Hey. All right. Got it. Go. 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 Go.
Where the hell
He's on the very tip. 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 I'm trying to find him. Right there. Right there. I see him. I see him. I see him. Wait, what does it say right behind? Oh, he's saying please stop. He's saying please stop. He's saying please stop on the sign right next to him. It's saying please stop right on the sign next to him. Slash I miss.
Watch it. He's back. He's coming back. I shot him again.
Alright, I got some missiles. I can't reload. Why can't I reload? What does this thing take? Did I drop it? Oh. My inventory's full.
Dude, he's driving off.
He jumped off? He jumped off?
He's driving.
Oh. Let's see what he did. He faked us out. Dude, I can't reload. Missiles don't work. How do you reload this thing? Oh, it has special missiles. I did not know that.
Watch out.
I know. Dude. Oh, so close. Okay. Slash I rock it. I'm looking right now. Rock it. I guess this works. Just like throw them on the ground every time. I know. Slash I rock 3. Dude, I'm dead. TPA star. Takes him a minute to reload, so wait until he shoots to accept it. Alright. Try 16 or no. 18x. G slash.
I think he blown up himself.
Yeah, then so T.
Oh crap, he's coming down.
So send me the let me TPA. So I 16x. Where is?
He's down there. He's down.
Yeah. Oh, he says I'm coming back. Okay, yeah.
Somewhere on the ground.
This isn't fair at all because he's just like.
Dude, I dropped off.
I know.
My TPA.
Just look down there. Be the ground. Be ground team.
No, accept my TPA.
TPA. We need to have more stuff like this happen. This is kind of exciting. This is the most exciting thing that's ever happened in Unterned. There he is! Okay, we gotta let him get closer. Get hiding. Get into hiding. Once he gets closer, be ready. Alright, he can't see us from here. There's no way.
Oh, dude, he saw me!
Come on! away! Okay, running away. Slash I rock.
Dude, he's shooting.
I know, I'm getting ammo. I have to get ammo. Dude, I'm hit.
He killed me.
I'm dead.
I'm gonna go in the jet.
Same. 135. That's forgot to do slash V. 135. No, mine's a helicopter.
Oh.
The Hind. Actually, wait. Save your like put armor on your vehicle, like something before you take off.
Too late.
The spine hood is victorious.
What's the ID for HMG?
It's like 3,026 or something like that. Like 1326.
What? What's the ID?
1326.
That's not it. What the hell? That's not this guy.
Then I don't know. Slash I bar.
That yellow umbrella.
That's a yellow umbrella? Alright, well I don't know any codes.
HMG.
I can't look it up right now. Alright, I'm coming back. Bum ba da dum bum bum ba da bum ba da bum ba da.
He's dead.
Bum ba da bum ba da, but it wouldn't hurt the blimp rail. Dude, he must pay. He must pay. Alright, bum ba da da bum ba da da bum ba da dun dun dun. Alright, I'm coming after him in a helicopter.
For a rocket launcher ammo.
Dude, I'm actually like so close to the ground now. It's not working. Dude, okay. Yep. Not working. Okay, yep. Dude, oh, I'm dead.
Don't worry, I have an idea.
V135. It's a Hind, then slash I HMG.
Oh, dude, the rockets are 520. The rockets are 520.
Box. Okay, HMG box is not a thing. Oh, well, then my helicopter is lying to me.
Dude, the rockets are 520.
I need an HMG box though for the Hind. Dude, this is not working.
How much did you pay to submit? How much was it for?
It was a $10,000 bonus, sign-on bonus, and $5,000 reimbursement.
Well, I'm talking about like hours. an hour. Yeah.
Minimum wage is $7 an hour. I'm gonna be rich.
Look at this. I could get this job. Yeah. It's 7.5. Because they go with the federal minimum wage, and then the only time it increased, last time it increased was 2008, and they only increased with inflation. Look at this job. I could apply for this because I have all the requirements. 22 an hour. It's customer support, which I don't want to do. But
We're leaning more towards Missouri because
Griffin really wants it. He really wants.
if I get involved, then yeah.
He was talking to his friend though. He's like, they have a lot of tornadoes in South. But online they're not considered tornadoes. But his friend who lives like 2 hours away.
I'ma do a James Bond scar. The James Bond. Get ready.
I died.
Like how Grandpa Randy did.
James Bond style.
Me, I want to go to school. Because everything that I know and a lot of
Ready for
customers,
it?
Griffin, he's
Yeah.
still young enough. It's like,
Do
I
slash
have like very short time to think. I feel like I do.
glider
So like,
Well, with my friend, with the, I
J
want to
slash
talk
I
about 30. Yeah. Which is
slash
just 4
I
years after I get out of school.
Alice.
When I get out of school,
Dude, I'm gonna try to James Bond this, dude. No, I'm joking. Slash I on.
I haven't seen jobs listing at like.
I have Honey Badger. I have a Honey Badger. I have my helicopter.
Let's just keep shooting.
Still recording. Dude, I can't. My mouse isn't working.
Go to ACN. Type in ACN accredited.
Or is my helicopter caught something? Like, what the heck? Okay, wait.
Go to ND accredited colleges. And it'll be like, where's it go down? The one that I found. Maybe it's just ACN, not EN. Yeah. It's not one of those. Yeah, click that one.
Okay, come on, get up.
And then,
I don't know what the state looks like.
well, she doesn't know which one's Missouri.
This one?
It's the one that looks like a belly.
Where do you think Missouri is? That's like, she doesn't know it. Missouri's like over here, it's like above this one.
That's Oklahoma.
Oh, this. No, yeah.
That's Kansas.
So it's the one next to
Okay,
it.
close. Let's see, we need to get gas again.
It's the one next to it.
This one?
No, down. Down.
Where is it?
So we can use this one here.
It's on the ground. It's on the ground.
Okay.
University of Missouri Columbia, or well, then what?
Where? Is it? Where is it? Oh, I see it.
I looked at the barrel roll
Missouri State
on
University.
top of. Let's see.
Dude, look at this. Dude. No. Dude, this isn't working. Doesn't work. Didn't work. I'm gonna go back down. Dude. Going back down.
I was about to do that.
Same. Except for I almost successfully did it.
I was gonna jump off and jump on top it and get a rocket launcher and then shoot it down.
No, I was gonna shoot him and then take it over. Just still really.
Two blimps. There's two.
I know.
Two of them.
One must be like
The Nile River, how windy it is. Look at South.
Down.
Have you seen pictures of South?
One must be a decoy.
River? That's awesome. Honestly.
Oh, I mean, if they
Nope, just one just fell, so I'm assuming that one had no player in it. What? No, no, dude! The one had a player in it! The one on the ground is the one that is the true. You too. 150.
Time to get up. You gotta do your homework.
Okay.
Wow, it's quicker than I thought it was.
It only has 100.
31,
People.
35. Okay.
It's pretty big city. It gets a lot of tornadoes. Like, tornadoes. People kayaking in the river. It's called an E0 tornado. It's a microburst.
Like what we have
Alright.
You should look up the picture of it in the 1950s or 60s. It's pretty big.
I do think that's all the time that we have done this video. If you liked it, please leave a big fat like. And comment down below what you would like to see
Smash
next.
that like button.
That too.
Smash that like, and that's someone the man will come for you.
It's right here.
Yep, and I'm losing connection. So, bye guys!